All right, hey guys, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel, let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel, okay? So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, and all of that good stuff, straight up, you're on the wrong stream. We're purely an educational channel, an educational group, and we're just here to try to churn out our army of millionaires. Okay, so that being said, any risk that you take upon yourself. Please don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay. All right, so we've got some news. Lots of news folders this week. Okay, and I know it is a Tuesday, but our week has technically just started, and lots of news folders that are going to be kicking in. We sort of want to be careful. We want to make sure our risk management is in place because this week can possibly be a volatile one, an erratic one. Okay, now I know a lot of people, they hear the term erratic, they hear the term volatile, and they get scared. But the truth is, if you have your risk management in place, you have nothing to be scared about. Okay, I keep telling this to the people on the one-on-ones as well. It shouldn't be a good day or a bad day at the office. It should just be any day at the office, okay? And when you have your risk management in place, it's going to be exactly that, okay? All right, give me a quick second, you guys, and I'm going to start to share my screen with y'all. 1 sec, okay? Okay. Zoom. Okay, how are you guys doing? I hope y'all had a good weekend. London was, I mean, Cash was telling me it was kind of choppy, but then I saw the moves that played out after, and I'm not gonna lie, it seemed pretty sick, straight up. Like that sort of momentum, that sort of volume is good for London. YouTube guys, do y'all see me fine? Is the light okay? Okay, seems like it's fine. Okay, okay. This is Nasdaq. All right, we're currently distributing orders within that zone. Um, do I like the zone? I do. All right, and do I like the potential buys that could kick in? I do. Okay, there is some nice divergence that's playing out, or they're at least trying to play out. And look at that beautiful, massive freaking divergence on the dirty. Okay, so yes, I do like the buys, but you all know how news can be. It can be erratic. There can be fake outs. So you'll want to sort of just be careful. Okay, what could we possibly look for? My aggressive scalpers, like I like to say, you guys can be looking for this break. Okay, one-on-ones, you guys as well. Y'all can be looking at this break. Okay, and the more safe entries are going to be up above that 4R resistance. Okay, so I'm going to, for now, leave this here. We'll adjust it as and when price moves. And where could your stop loss be for this? The ones that are getting in aggressively, I reckon you guys are going to have a tight stop loss. You could have it below this candle, or if you're not using a very, very big position, you could also have it all the way at the 4-hour support or even this region. Okay, so it depends on the lots that you're using, but you decide where your stop loss is going to be. Okay. All right, and we have TP1 over here, and of course if the bigger breaker structure happens, we can look to test out this region, that region, possibly even our supply zone. Okay, I want to take a quick look at the Scalper Pro. Okay, looks good, all right. It seems like everything's trying to break the 50. Maybe there's a chance that on the daily, as we inch our way towards the 50, we potentially could also reach the 70 at round about that same time. You know what I mean? So maybe that is a possibility. The 15 minutes could do something as well. Okay, good. All right, let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, same story. Gold. Okay, the hourly is beginning to go oversold. The daily is also pretty much there. The 4 hours is also pretty much there. Let's see if we want to pick up support from that oversold region or if we're gonna actually break and let the move come in. Okay, this is gold right now. Gold, I don't like gold, man. Look at those wicks on gold. Not my cup of tea. Okay. I know we have a lot of gold traders over here, but also some divergence, bullish divergence that's beginning to play out on gold right now. Okay, so let's be careful and let's see. DAX really sold off. I'm not sure if any of you guys caught that post London, but DAX really freaking sold off, man. Okay, caffeine's in. I'm good to go. We've got about 5 more minutes to news. Um, let's look for the buys up above there on gold. Okay. And again, your stop loss depends on wherever you guys want it to be. We're not a buy or sell channel, so I'm not going to spoon feed you with stop losses. It really depends on your account and the way you trade these markets. Okay. And sells. Naturally, we're going to want to close down here and maybe get a little bit of an extended push to the downside. Okay, we want to break through this order block and we could then potentially get the moves. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, I just skipped on something and I missed on something, so I'm going to make a little change. I'm going to switch this up, okay? Can anyone from the chat tell me why I'm switching this up? Chat? One-on-ones, I'm talking to you guys. Hey, Space, my man, welcome back. Missed you, brother. Psychological, absolutely. Okay, Space was the only one, but he got it right. There you go, Baha as well. Okay, so we do have a psychological 1900 region over here. Yes, it's different for every broker, but I didn't take the exact 1900 just because that's a nice liquidity fill for me. We'll be careful with this move, okay, in case it wants to happen. But otherwise, buys up there. We break past that. Oops. We break past that. We've got potential to maybe even push higher, okay, but let's see. US 30. Let's make some changes. Let's get that there. Let's get this here. And let's see how this potentially would want to play out. Okay. And if the sell's come in, we'll look at it if and when it comes in. Okay. Today seems like a day of psychological numbers, okay? I'm going to take a quick look at the EMAs. Okay, one-on-ones. What are we seeing over here and over here potentially? Anyone? There you go. Okay, good. Point is a bullish trend reversal pattern, right? Nice little downtrend coming in over here, which is giving us the divergence as well. What could we possibly be looking for? That, and potentially that. Okay. Or if we want to come back down, then that. What do you guys want to have for news? Do you all want to have the indices, or do you all want to have gold? Or do you all want to have an index in gold? What do you all want? I personally like nasty. But it's up to you guys, okay? We're here for you guys. Gold, indices, gold, NAS and gold. Okay, I'm going to quickly put up NAS and gold, and we'll keep US 30 on a separate chart. Okay, I'll throw some alerts on to the dirty, just so that we don't miss anything, and we'll monitor the other two. Okay. All right, news in the next 30 seconds. Please don't be stupid. Please don't be going too crazy. Have your money management in place. Let's have a good one. Okay, remember, not taking a trade is a good thing. Don't force into anything. Wait for that candle to play out, and we'll see what happens. Liquidity grabs may happen to begin with, so don't get caught in on anything. I've put in a little buy order for Nasdaq. Okay, you guys have had it for quite some time, and let's see how it plays. This is news. Okay, negative news. Let's see, we've got some buyers that are most likely, they could step in here. So if the buys, ooh, look at that. If the buys want to kick in, then this is the region that they need to get rejected from, okay? So if I had to go ahead and draw that out for you guys, that's where we have demand. Okay, now this doesn't mean we can't push bearish. Don't get me wrong. Okay, we still could push bearish, but we're looking to see how we react to this level. Okay, and Goldie is having its impulse. Okay, nice drop on gold. US 30, same story. We need to see if we're going to pick up some buyers from here. I'm not in on anything right now, okay, you guys, if any of y'all are wondering. I'm going to watch. My bias is still towards the buys. And I'm going to need added confirmation if I'm going to get into any sort of short positions, okay, because I trust my analysis, and I'm going to let these markets prove me wrong if I want to trade against my analysis. Okay, DXY is skyrocketing, explains it. Spreads are going crazy, yes, guys. Please be careful, especially if you're on the fundeds. This is when they make their money. Okay, lots of news, mixed news. All right, mixed news. We've got bullish and bearish news all over the place. So please don't use news as an indicator for green and red candles. Watch for price action. Okay, I'm still not in on anything, you guys. Not in on anything at all. I'm going to wait for this candle. Let's switch over to the 5s. All right, nice little double top. Ooh, look at gold, man. Anyone in on gold? Dirty is testing it out too. Anyone in on gold? Now, if in the next 2.5 minutes they want to close in our box, I'll get in for the retest. Okay, no problem. But I'm going to wait and I'm going to watch. Is anyone in on gold right now for a feeler? Small positions? Not me. Okay. That's a beautiful impulse on gold though, man. 45 pips on that candle itself. Sexy move. Let's see. Let's see, okay? There's no point rushing into anything. Like I say, we are aggressive, but we're also calculated. We wait for confirmation. We wait for price action to give us indications that our analysis is going to be respected, okay? And if not, if it wants to go against what we think it's going to do here at Forex trading, we wait for added confirmation. And so far, there's nothing. No trade so far, waiting for clear move. Okay, good. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch this up to some supply. And let's see if they want to close down here in the next 1 minute and maybe get a retest rejection. If you guys want to buy in, well, I mean short for the wick fill, you can go ahead and do that. Or if I want to wait for the the break of the structure, you can do that as well. It's up to you guys. It really depends on your risk management, okay? I want to see how the last 30 seconds of this candle play out. Oof, nice little rejection. Guys, keep an eye on the US 30 as well, okay? I don't want it to be like we're concentrating on NASDAQ and we missed the move on the dirty. Keep an eye on this for me as well, and please let me know if we start to touch this region. Okay, let me know if we make some green candles coming in. Last 25 seconds of this candle. This is also only the first 5 minutes. Okay, I like that rejection in the last 30 seconds. Okay, look at that on gold. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Right, I hope none of you guys are, if you all got in for that liquidity grab, I hope you all picked up your profits. But look at where they closed. They closed exactly at our demand. And it still looks good, okay? Can it still push down for the wick fill? Yes, it can. But it's slightly a risky one, okay? Okay, green candle. Come on. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq is trying. It doesn't seem like we have the momentum just right about now, but we're trying. We're trying. Pretty slow. Did anyone trade Monday? Anyone trade yesterday? Goldwick crazy. Tell me about it, man. Dirty trying, nasty attempting as well. Okay. I may just get triggered in on Nasdaq if we break this region. Like I said, I have an order that's waiting over here. Let's see if we want to break that region. Okay, why did I have this region? Because that's what acts up as our neckline to this potential. Well, it's not potential. It is a double top that played out over here. Okay, so I'm still not triggered in. Okay, looks like gold's going back down for the wick fill. Again, like I said, get in at, I mean, all trades that you take here are at your own risk, but this one more so, okay? Let's see if US 30 wants to close and give us a nice little push. Chop City right now, okay? Extremely choppy. Nothing definitive at all. And yeah, we're just chilling. Okay. Alright, so we're getting a flash on the dirty. On the 15s, we started to go oversold. Okay, we're just struggling with this, alright? We're struggling, but all we need, and when this happens, based off of this really heavy divergence, we just need the volume to push up. Okay, now divergences in the RSI, the EMAs, they don't always play out, guys. Okay, don't be in that mindset, because that's a recipe to disaster. But it's always good to use these as added confluences. Okay, I have a feeling they're gonna range over here till the new Ali swap. Alright, and if that means I'm not gonna get in on any trades, so be it. Is anyone in on anything? Thanks, Cram, for previous inputs. Either which I could bank and some good pips. Awesome, man. We're here to help you. Congratulations. Nothing. Nope. 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 Gold feeler sell. Okay. Nice. I'm not even in with a feeler position. Corey, first time here, but won't be my last. Welcome, buddy. Welcome to Forex Trading. It's an absolute pleasure having you. Just watch, enjoy what we do, try to pick it up. Start off on a demo account. If you have any questions, you could shoot them at me right now whilst I'm live, or you could just put them on the general chat, and one of our moderators, or Cash, myself, or Millzone, one of us will answer back. Okay? Welcome. Got an order set up on NASDAQ. Nice. Buy on US 30. Okay. Alright, slow day, but you all know how it goes, okay? Whenever we have a slow day and we reach around the 25-30 mark of people on Zoom, that's when that's when the moves start to kick in. Okay? So that's the light at the end of the tunnel. We'll get there. We're at 54 now, 55. Let's see. Good afternoon, Emily. Okay, there you go. Gold picks up buyers from demand. Surprise, surprise. Let's see. I want this recording session. Please share. It'll be up on our server in the next couple of minutes. Once we end the stream. I think it's a channel called Past Streams, if I'm not wrong. I could be wrong though. Yes, gold pushing back up. Lots of supply here. I have a feeling I don't like gold today, guys. This is the definition of erratic. You know, this is the definition of choppy. Right? You guys would have heard me use this term a lot. What is choppy? It's this right here. To be fair, it's all of this right here too. This here too. Everything is choppy right now. Okay, do you guys want to maybe take a look at another pair or something of that sort? Because it doesn't seem like the markets are doing too much. So we definitely have some time on our hands. Any special requests from anyone? I'll pick up whatever you guys. All right, I'll give you guys some options. Okay, so I'll quickly go through the chat and then we'll see. So we can either do oil, we can do some GBP USD, we can do some USD CAD. All right, 3 options. Pick whichever one you guys want. Whatever is most on the chat is what I will analyze for you guys. Okay, I'll give it a minute and then I'll come back and check the chat. Okay. Ugh, fucking Chop City. Okay, oil, GU, EU, UJ, EU, UC, oil. Okay. All right. I see quite a few oil and I see quite a few GU. Let's take a look at both and let's see which one has more volume and then we'll pick one. Okay. How about that? Okay. So let's take a look at GU first. Oh, fuck me. Sorry. I didn't mean to swear on YouTube. Okay, GBP USD. Alright, Cash's level still getting respected. Hit TP. I like. Alright, I can just give you levels based off of Cash's top down. Okay, that stays where it is. Bring that here. Bring that here. get rid of these. Okay. Short-term buys, break a structure buys, short-term sells, break a structure sells. Okay. It's so much easier when cash has done the top down for me. Okay, that's GU. I want to take a quick look at. Okay, gold. Okay, that's good on gold. I could potentially see these buys starting to kick in for gold. Okay, just saying. Nice little price action going on over here. Yeah, it's becoming less wiki and more volume based. Okay. And how about, what do you guys think of DAX instead of oil? Let's do some DAX. Let's see how DAX moves for New York. Okay. So we've got GU, and let's also get DAX. Okay, this would be your impulse. Let's catch that. Okay, that could be your impulse trade. Zone here. Zone there. Zone here. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see if we want to break past that supply and maybe push higher. We're getting there, okay, guys? We have people leaving the stream. We're getting there. 50 people. Okay, lots of charts to work with for you guys today. Oops. As he's trying. We'll see if they get rejected, okay? Okay, that could have been a nice short-term scalp on GU up to supply. Come on, Nasdaq. Give us the move and let's call it a goddamn session. Do we have people on YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Hi, Scalping Whale. How's it going? Welcome. Path of Trading. Welcome. There were lots of red folders that released today, buddy. Okay. Let's see. Let's get that momentum push. Okay, but look at gold. Those buys are starting to kick in. GU. DAX. Let's see. Okay, wait for the candles to close, guys. There's about 32 seconds to go. You have no reason to be stressing and jumping in right away. Okay, wait for the candles to close. Wait for added confirmation. And get in on a safer entry. Good Lord, it's super choppy, man. I hate trading markets like these. Whenever I see markets like these, I usually just like stay away because I'm like, there's really no point to be trading this chop. But it is what it is. Okay, I'm here for you guys. I don't have DAX among my selection of pairs. It could be called GER30 or GER40. It could also be called D30. It could be called multiple things. It's basically the German index. Okay, look at that. Retest, rejection, break a structure. If you guys want to get in, I'm sorry I saw that late. Your perfect entry would have been there. But if you guys want to, then potentially wait for that break. Okay, I want you guys to note that we're sitting exactly at the 200. Okay, so that's what's holding us right now. But if we hold at this supply, turn into demand, we could be money. Okay, and if that happens, I'm gonna quit. Yes, it is. DE40 should be the same. Okay, and if I get this move, screw it. I'm not even going to look for Nasdaq. Okay, let's see if we want to get that break. And all I'm looking for, you guys, is going to be those 16, 20, 30, how many ever pips this move will be. But I'm happy with 10. Okay. All right. If you get rejected here, that could be a nice little entry. All right. Let's see. Where can this come down to? It can come down to somewhere over here. Okay, I'd say more. There you go. Now we're starting to get rejected. Let's try to hold at this region, because if we don't hold over here, they're going to start to push back down. Do you guys have a Discord? I found this via Llamaverse, but really like the session and want to support you more. Yes, we do, Corey. It's called Forex Trading. If someone could please put on the link server to the Zoom chat, I'd appreciate that. Go ahead and join us. Thank you, Gameski. We're absolutely free, and we're live every single trading day. Well, almost every single trading day for both London and New York market open. Okay, so they're not holding up here. They're not holding. What does this mean? They're pushing all the way back down. They're most likely going to come back up, but nothing. Okay, I was waiting to break that in order to get in with any sort of confirmation. Didn't happen, didn't come through. It's all good. Seems like one of those days today, guys. All right, slow, no trades, and just seems like just a regular choppy day. They could still hold, but now my only concern is they could even come down to test demand, okay? Because that, to me, looks like the retail trap, but that doesn't mean that the bullish move isn't going to come. The buys will kick in, but we need to hit some stop losses before that kicks in, right? Chop, chop. No trades for me today. Nothing so far. Went in on a small feeler on gold. Glad it was a feeler. Exactly, JJ. Good stuff, buddy. Okay, let it be. Your stop loss for the feeler can all be down here, wherever it is. Depends on how small that position is. And let's see. We need volume to break past. I'm just looking for that. Just that. Okay, the RSI is retesting the 50. Let's see if we want to hold here and pick back up. I want to look at the Scalper Pro. Smart decision, Tusu, smart decision. Okay, gold is... should be bullish. It should be bullish. Will it though? That's a different question altogether. Okay, they're just ranging. Let's see what happens in the next 5 minutes, you guys. Listen, if the moves come in, they'll come in. I'm not going to stay for market open because these are extremely choppy markets, okay? So if any of y'all wants to be trading market open, y'all have these levels to work with, and y'all can confidently trade those levels, okay? But me personally, today is just one of those days. I'm not seeing the respect of price action that I normally like to see, and it's just I'd rather stay away and not get in on any trades at all than take a risky trade and regret it 2 minutes later, right? So I'm gonna watch and we'll see if something comes, but you guys have these levels for market open, okay? I want to buy and go 50 lot. By 50 lot, you mean $50 a pip or $500 a pip? I hope it's 50. It probably is $50 a pip. 100k demo, that should be fine. No, I wanted to trade, so I opened a demo just to trade. It's you could do that, yes, but you want to start controlling your emotions from now, Emily, because moving forward, these are things that you really won't be able to do as and when you switch over to a live account, right? I mean, till it's all fun and games, and we know that it's okay, but it's not something that we should get into the habit of doing, okay? Come on, Nasdaq, gold, something, anything. Give us the goddamn push, all right? The 50 people that are on this call, 53, 55, sorry, YouTube, with the people that are with me right now, get that goddamn push to come in, okay? Let's do it. Come on. Let's go. Yalla Habibi. Let's start. People should leave to get the moves. Absolutely, man. Let's do it. Let's say Yalla Habibi and it'll all come through. Oh, we don't have enough Habibis and Habibtis here right now. Doesn't look like the moves are. Um, doesn't look like the markets are listening to the army of millionaires. Come on, guys. Let's break. Let's break. Let's break. Yalla Habibi from Lebanon. I love it, man. Oh, freaking Chop City, guys. What is going on with these markets today? Market open, you're gonna get some moves, but I'm just I'm just not comfortable exposing my lots in a market like this. You know? Wait for market open, guys. I'm not even kidding. If y'all have it in you, then don't trade for today because expect the sort of movement to continue. But if y'all do want to trade, drop your risk management today, man. Okay, the moves will come, but they will be it'll be chaotic. Okay, that's what I can say. Mm, let's chop. Okay, I'm just gonna stay for another 5 minutes, you guys, and we'll see how the new Ali swap comes in. And if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't come, it is what it is. Um, I'm gonna call it a session. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's get these markets to move. Sells on DAX potentially down here. Okay, but I like these buys. I like these buys on DAX. GU right here, buddy. Okay. New Ali candle opened up. They're holding some support. They're holding some demand. Holding demand. They're trying. Okay, but it's just it's not enough liquidity to let the moves actually come in. Okay, I'm gonna try and not flip flop a lot. I'm sorry, I just realized I was switching between charts too much. But yeah, let's watch. Okay, so on gold, we want to pick back up from here. Okay, if we don't respect this level, the wick fill is gonna come in. But you want to pick back up from here and sort of try and slowly but surely break this resistance and push higher. Okay. I'm building some 5-minute resistance here. Ugh. You guys know what happens when I check the 1 minutes, okay? I'm starting to itch a little bit. Okay. Like I almost just want to get something and get the F out. Okay. Okay, good rejection. All right, what are we seeing on Nasdaq? What are we seeing on Nasdaq? One-on-ones question for you guys. What are we seeing on Nasdaq? Also, Cash just told me we have some slots open for the one-on-one private mentorship program. We have 170 plus people on it now. We've been doing it for a year. We have a banger of a curriculum that Cash and I have personally designed, and it's pretty crazy. The feedback's been amazing, and it's a lot of fun. So if you guys want to hop on, we do have some slots that are currently open. There is a wait time. Okay, I'm making that very clear. We have an express package, which is the weekend package. If you guys want to skip the wait line, y'all can go for that. But otherwise, there is an 8 to 10 week wait time. And yeah, if you guys are interested, say hi on the general chat or open up a ticket on our Forex server, and Cash will message you, and she will take care of it. Okay? Pennant? Yes, it is a pennant. Okay, I'm breaking that. Potentially push up. Good little region to layer up your positions. People that have gone through session 3 with me on the one-on-ones, you all know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, pennant, break, layer number 1, wait for retest, wait for the higher high, potentially layer number 2, and then the entry exit strategy on the breaker structure. Okay. Hey, also, I'm so sorry, totally slipped out of my mind, but to my Indian fam out there, and I know there are quite a few of you guys, happy Independence Day. Hope you all had a good one. couldn't fly kites this year. I'm in hostel. That's a bummer, man. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Same to you guys. Same to you guys. Jai Hind. Okay, slow, slow, slow. Come on. Give us that goddamn push. Just make me sleepy. Make me very sleepy. Nasdaq is flirting with our entry. But y'all know how flirting can go, right? It can go either way. let's hope she agrees. Okay, come on, break that, break that, break that. I told you guys where my level's at. There. Come on, break those highs. Let's do it. Okay. I'm triggered in. Finally. This is my small position, by the way. I'm going to wait for this close. I'm not in with a big position. Just letting you guys know I don't use very big positions. When maybe I should have, but I don't use very big positions on these orders. Okay, so I'm just going to watch. Look at that. Gold's trying to do it as well. Come on, there you go. If we break this high, I'm going to be trigger finger, okay, on Nasdaq. But I want to see us break that high. Okay, this is what I meant, right? This is why my first position was a small position. To the ones wondering what size it was a $5 a pip position, okay? Where's my stop loss going to be for that position? Below this candle, all right down here. I wouldn't want a red candle to come back down because that means that we're going to push all the way back down here. So I'm just going to have a stop loss. If this goes against me, I'll be down by about 40 bucks. Okay, I want to see how this candle closes, man, in the next 2.5 minutes. And maybe if we close there, it can start to look good. Come on, I want to give the move to 45 people today in a choppy market instead of 25. There you go. Look at that. We're trying. Okay, I didn't get in on a bigger position as yet. Okay, I'll tell you guys if and when I do. Watch out for your spreads. Watch for your spreads, guys. Okay, I'm not getting in on a position now. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the candle to close. Have a little bit of, maybe a little bit of a retest. Okay, and then get in. All right, I'm currently running on my smaller position. Okay. Okay, look at that. They're trying. They're trying. Listen, in the next minute, if this candle wants to close over here, maybe we'll have a little bit of a retest. Okay, one of two things will happen. Either we'll have a retest and we'll start to push back, or that we'll have momentum, there won't be a retest, and boom, you'll just see price push up. Okay, so try to be trigger finger, try to be fast, and if you miss it, you miss it. It is what it is. All right, don't freaking feel bad about it. Okay, it's all good. Wow, that's a big ass candle. Who's in this with me, guys? Who's in this with me? Beautiful move. I'm in, Corey. Awesome, buddy. Okay, it's happening. It's happening. It's finally happening. Last 30 seconds of this candle. Let's try to get some confirmation and maybe push higher. Okay, guys, I'm in on this. All right, I'm seeing the momentum. I'm in on this. I'm not gonna share my profits because YouTube's on right now. But once we're off YouTube and I'm back just with Zoom, I will show you guys my positions. Okay. Let's wait for that new candle, which is opening up right now. Okay. Expect a little bit of a retest maybe down here. If not, it's going to push. So I'm going to either enter in at this region or I'm going to enter in now. Gold's going down for its retest as well. Okay. I'm in on Nasty. Boom. Who is catching that with me? Take out your 5-10 pips and get out. Okay, choppy market. Don't expect anything more. We're not swing traders. We're scalpers. This is probably going to reverse on you. Take out your profits and get out. I'm just going to leave my smaller position in. And I pulled out about 5-7 pips, you guys. 5-7 pips. I still have another small position. I'm going to have my stop loss down here. And we'll see how that wants to go. Okay. This is what I meant. Now we could come back down to test this region. And I'm not saying that it's not going to go back up. Okay. But let's see how we want to react. The retest is always good. Gold's hitting TP. Anyone catch gold? Clean 4x move on gold. Anyone catch this? Caught gold. Awesome. Tusu, am I the only one waiting for the retest? You're getting it right now. Okay. Caught gold. I'm in on gold. Awesome. Awesome. I am gold. Awesome, Giri. Okay. Gold's going up to hit TP. Boom. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's push. I love it. Classic 4x move, beautiful retest, nice rejection and a push. We're coming down for a retest right now. I liquidated literally 7 pips, guys. 7 pips and I have $5 a pip from my bigger position still running. Okay, so let's see how they want to hold. Can I trade S&P? I think you mean 500. You can trade whatever you like, buddy. It's up to you. If you're talking analysis wise, it should match up with either gold, with my bad, not gold, either US 30 or Nasdaq. Okay, GU is having its retest, DAX is having its retest, so everything's beginning to sort of attempt. Okay. Come on, let's get that push. Let's get that push. 3 more minutes, okay? 3 more minutes to the new 15-minute candle. It looks like US 30 is like frozen. Zoom, I so badly want to send my profits to you guys. But I'll get off YouTube and I'll explain to you guys what's up, okay? Okay, I just muted YouTube, and to be honest, guys, I think you guys have figured it by now. I don't like speaking about my profits, especially on YouTube. If people want to know that stuff, they can come onto the group over here. And I've been in on this, right? I've been in on this. It was not that small of a position. It was a pretty big position. I held on for some time as well. Very well within my risk management, so don't be going too crazy. but I'll tell you how much I caught. Give me a second. I caught 18 pips on $300 a pip. 18 pips on $300 a pip. Good trade. All right. Okay. They're telling me I'm muted. I'm gonna go back and we'll come back to Zoom once I end that. Okay. Sorry, YouTube. I was just having a little private chat with our private members on Zoom. US 100 and Nasdaq are same. Yes, Ankit. US 100 and Nasdaq are the same. Yeah, babe. Ending it. Guys, I'm not going to stay for market open, okay? Straight up, these moves could still play out. You guys know where that's possibly going to push to. You guys know where this is possibly going to push to. Let's take a look at all of these charts, okay? Supply coming in here. Maybe push above. GU, nice little push continuation. Let's see if DAX wants to give you the push continuation. But it's all looking decent now. Okay, there's nothing too much that's going on. And these moves are definitely priming up for market open. Okay, these moves are definitely they're trying to get there. Okay, gold goes and hits TP. All right, couple of things, guys. For the people on YouTube as well, welcome to Forex Trading. If you're brand new over here, if it's the first time you're visiting our stream, we're scalpers. We scalp the 5-minute time frame, and we're pretty aggressive at doing so, if I may. Okay, there's a lag on YouTube and all of that good stuff, so check the description. Go on and join our Forex server. It's absolutely free. We don't charge you guys nothing. You can hop onto the Zoom call that's simultaneously going on with the YouTube stream without lag, and we treat our members as private members on Zoom. Okay, so we're here every single trading day for market open, for the London market and for the US Wall Street Open. Join our server and be a part of the army of millionaires. All right, thank you so much, YouTube. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, signing out. Ciao. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, YouTube's off. Let's take a look, right? I like these buys on the dirty. I really do. I wanna one-on-ones. Are we seeing a nice little double bottom break over here? Are we? Is the chat open? Awesome session, Cram. Thank you so much, Alpha DJ. Good. So we're seeing a nice double bottom here. Minus the liquidity fills, the dirty wicks, minus all of that. Nice little double bottom break. You want to hold at this demand here, which it's doing, but if you guys are in on this right now, I like this, man. This is most likely going to push up there. If we have momentum, it's even going to push to TP. Okay, so if you guys are in on this, good for y'all. Congratulations. Bank it, okay? Nasdaq going for TP. There you go. There you go. My smaller positions are still running. Cool. So I left from my bigger position, I left about $20, and I had my initial $5 a pip move that was in, and it's doing it. It finally played out, and I'm glad it played out for 40 people instead of 25. Okay, that's progress. That's progress. Thank you, Zoom. Okay, and these buys, anyone catching the dirty? Anyone catching that? Listen, guys, we do this as a free freaking service to y'all. The only thing that we ask for in return are some success stories. Hop onto the Forex server, go onto success stories, and type out and let people know if you even picked up value from this free live session. If you made some money, if you made some fake money, it don't matter. Go on, type it out, let people know. All right, I promise you, no one is giving you guys this much information, this much value, and these sort of setups for free anywhere. Okay, not even the internet, but literally anywhere. Even if you ask a friend of yours, that's literally your best friend could be an analyst like us, and he also won't give you this information for free. We're sitting here, and we're doing that for you guys, and we've been doing this for the past 1 year. Okay, go on, post up on success stories, and always remember, a little appreciation goes a really long way. Okay, also, babe, how many spots do we have open for the mentorship? We've got 2 spots open for the one-on-one mentorship program. If any of you guys on Zoom I do get DMs all the time, but guys, don't message me about it. Message Cash. Don't even message her directly. Just put it onto the Forex server. There's a reason that we have those. What do you call those? Support tickets, whatever it is. There's a reason we have those. Go ahead and put it on there. We'll reach out to you. There are lots of people that try to be us in this space. Just letting you all know. So it'd be nicer if you first go to our server and then verify and make sure that you're talking to us. Okay, so don't fall into those traps, into the scams, and don't be clicking on those free nudes that people are fucking trying to put on our server, and I don't even know why. I banned the dude. But yeah, don't be clicking on that shit, okay? or do it. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm not gonna be judging you guys, all right? But let's be easy. Let's take it easy in these markets. Let's have a good next couple of days. Lots of news folders that are releasing. Okay. Let's have a good week. All right. Let's end it strong. We just got started, and let's get this going for ourselves. Okay. For the one-on-ones, message on the Discord server. These two spots are gonna go like hotcake. And I know that we're still, despite me telling this to you guys, I'm still going to get DMs and Cash is still going to get DMs. Whoever messages first gets it. Simple, okay? If you missed it, you missed it. We'll let you guys know when there's an opening next week or after 2 weeks, okay? Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Today was a lovely session, all right? Lots of learning, lots of pips, good amount of money, and it's always a blast to chill with you guys, okay? So I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. And like I keep saying, we're building our goddamn army of millionaires. It's up to you. Hop on, do what you've got to do. There are no shortcuts to make money in these markets. And we give everything to you guys at face value. Nothing more, nothing less. Ask the people on the one-on-ones. We don't take no shortcuts. We literally trade price action. We learn every single day. We get better every single day. Okay, thank you all so much. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Take it easy. Have a good one. Bye.